So, what is your, beauty mantra?
There is no beauty mantra, yaar. I mean, I think, but yeah, I do a lot of homemade stuff for my skin.
So, would you like to वो नानी के नुस्खे होंगे ना?
हाँ, वो एक नानी का नुस्खा है फर्मेंटेड राइस फ्लावर. उसमें मैं डालती हूँ दही, थोड़ा सा गार्लिक, लहसुन और थोड़ा सा मुल्तानी मिट्टी और रोज स्किन पे लगाती हूँ.
जो हम लोग किया करते थे अपने.
या नानी का ही है ये.
So, you are following yourself in the series.
No, I'm not following. I want others
To follow yourself.
Yeah, I'm good.
So, yeah. So, and you are an inspiration, yeah. You did things, which created a trend. What do you have to say about this, and what exactly you want them to follow through this series?
Honestly, I don't feel like I'm an inspiration. I've never wanted that. I never want people to think. I don't want to. I'm not doing it to inspire people. I'm doing it for myself. So, if in that journey anyone gets inspired, good. But that's okay.
But any 5 things, see, we've not seen the series yet. The trailer is very exciting and intriguing. So any 5 things that you would like to, about yourself, give away, though people know so much about your dressing sense and you come up with such good things. Initially people might have thought it's weird, but it's become so, ekdam alag and modern.
But this is what happens. जब राजीव गांधी पहली बार कंप्यूटर लेके आए थे इंडिया में, उनके पुतले जलाए गए थे. तो पहले जब कोई चीज़ नहीं आती लोग इतनी जल्दी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं. एंड देन धीरे धीरे वो प्रेस करने लगते हैं उसी चीज़ को. बट यू हैव टू बी परसिस्टेंट. यू हैव टू बी कंटिन्यूसली स्ट्राइव फॉर दैट.
How do you look at your journey in this field, and now you are literally coming in this series, because you did it yourself. There was nobody who stood by your side.
No, there have been people who have stood by my side, not publicly as in my team, my family. They have stood by my side, so I'm very grateful for that. और जिनको मैं जानती नहीं वो नहीं खड़े हो तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. बाकी I feel my journey has started now. अब तक तो ट्रेलर था, अभी ट्रेलर था. जर्नी अब शुरू हो गई.
How do you look at your journey hereafter? What else are you? You must have been offered, and you must be picking and choosing.
No.
Okay.
इतना काम
So how do
नहीं
you
है
look
मेरे
at your
पास.
journey hereafter?
I really hope I can do some crazy, amazing work, and बस मेरी वही चाहत है कि मुझे शाहरुख खान बनना है. तो
Oh wow!
Yeah.
So we will see another Shah Rukh Khan in the group of a female. What do you have to say about it?
I don't know if there can be another Shahrukh Khan, but मुझे उस लेवल का फेम और सक्सेस चाहिए.
You are already famous.
Not Shahrukh Khan level. No, not anywhere near what I want.
Okay. So what is fame in name to you? Hereafter.
You will see it in the show if you follow कर लो.
You have created a niche for yourself. It must have been a Herculean task, okay?
मैंने ये नहीं सोचा था कि मैं कोई नीश क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. मैं अपना काम कर रही थी क्योंकि मुझे उससे पैसे मिल रहे थे और फेम मिल रहा था.
बहुत अच्छा.
I was not doing it to create something. I was doing it for myself.
So, but you are so lucky. Do you consider yourself lucky because you got fame, name, and money alongside, which is a very tough thing, and does money keeps you going? Of course, it should.
Yeah, money does keep me going. Money keeps everyone going. अगर Amazon को इस शो से पैसे कमाने का को होप नहीं होता तो वो भी नहीं बनाते. So money is the core foundation of our society, and I am lucky. I think yes.
Lastly, you're representing a very different kind of a societal girl on the screen this time, So what message would you like to give it to girls of your age?
But I'm not representing anyone. I'm just trying to be myself. So I think this can be the message. Just be yourself. You never know what happens. And if you don't know who you are, just be kind.
Finally, you know who you are.
I change every day. So it keeps changing every day.
Wow.
But I'm still trying to discover.
Is that the success mantra? Because change is the spice of life, and you keep the spice going.
Change is very important. I completely agree. If you want to be successful, you have to adapt and evolve according to the situation.
Lastly, are you eager to venture onto the silver screen, and with who?
No, my silver screen is this only. I'm very happy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.